These AI car loading videos may look simple, but they're getting millions of views and generating impressive revenue. Let me show you exactly how to create them for free. Take a look at this channel. It has only been around for about a month, yet with just 36 long-form videos, it has already crossed nearly 5 million views. One video alone reached around 365,000 views in just 7 days, while many others gained over 100,000 views within a few days of being uploaded. What's even surprising is the estimated monthly revenue. According to available estimates, the channel is earning around $6,000 per month. You can also see that the channel is fully monetized. Some of its latest uploads have already crossed 100,000 to 278,000 views within just a few days, proving that this niche still has massive potential. Now let's create the same type of videos. First, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and open the link provided in the description. Open the link provided in the description. It will take you to my page where you'll find the complete master prompt that I created specifically for this niche. Click Copy Text to copy the entire prompt. Then open ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI chatbot, paste the prompt, and press Enter. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate 5 unique video ideas for you. You don't have to think of ideas yourself, just pick any one you like. If none of them appeal to you, simply type More, and the AI will generate 5 new ideas. You can keep doing this until you find the perfect concept. For this tutorial, I'm selecting idea number 2, which shows different types of cars being loaded onto a large transport truck. Simply type 2 and press Enter. The AI will now begin phase 2 and generate the complete storyboard. You'll receive a viral hook followed by the image prompt for the first scene. Only the first scene requires an image prompt. Every remaining scene will include video prompts. Depending on the selected idea, you'll usually get around 6 to 8 scenes. Now it's time to generate the visuals. Copy the image prompt from scene 1 and open Google Flow. Click the Nano Banana button and switch to image generation. Use these settings. Aspect ratio 16:9 for long-form videos. Generate 4 images. Model Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. Try both and use whichever gives you the better result. Paste the prompt and press Generate. Within a few seconds, Google Flow will create 4 different versions of the opening image. Open them and choose the one you like the most. The quality is excellent and matches the same visual style used by many successful channels. Now let's animate it. Open Qwen AI or Qwen AI from Google and sign in with your Gmail account. Go to Video Generation. Click the plus button and upload the image you selected from Google Flow. Next, click the plus button again and choose Create Video. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Copy everything from the beginning of the prompt to the end, paste it into the prompt box, and press Generate. Your first AI video will begin rendering completely free. You can also generate the same clip inside Google Flow. Simply take the cursor to the selected image and then click on Animate. Paste the video prompt and use these settings. Video mode, aspect ratio 16:9, model Omni Flash, duration 6 or 8 seconds. Then click Generate. As you can see, both platforms produce high-quality cinematic videos. Qwen AI even adds realistic sound effects automatically, making the results even more immersive. Now we need to create the next scene. Once the first video is finished, go to the last frame of the clip. In Google Flow, simply use the Capture End Frame option to save the final frame as an image. In Qwen AI, pause the video on the last frame, press and hold on the screen, and choose Save Video Frame As. This saves the final frame directly to your gallery. Now, upload that saved image back into either Qwen AI or Google Flow. Return to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 2. Paste the prompt into the video generator while using the captured end frame as the reference image, then generate the next clip. Repeat this exact workflow for every remaining scene. Capture the last frame, use it as the starting image for the next scene, paste the next video prompt, then generate the next clip. After you've created all 5 clips, repeat the process using 2 or 3 additional ideas from the master prompt. By combining multiple story sequences together, you'll easily create a 3 to 4 minute long-form AI video, the exact style that many successful channels are currently using to generate millions of views.